Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Sapna Master IELTS and this video is for listening. Listening में map का सबसे ज़्यादा problem because they do not know how to do, how to label it and what are the answers of these kind of questions, how to solve these questions and how to solve the plan. So here you can see the first, I'm going to start with one recording that is the chairman of the highways committee is explaining the new traffic regulations and parking arrangements. How to do these type of questions, watch till the end and you will come to know very easily that how it can be sorted. Now you can see this is about the proposed traffic changes in Granford. So sabse pehle you have to mark the north, east, south and west. This is north and east and south and west. Then this is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. You can also say this is top, this is bottom. So you are just doing, this is your left, this is your right. And one thing, once you have made this, once you have understood the key, because the examiner or the speaker in the recording, he will be talking about the key, he will be talking about the directions. So you must be careful about the directions, how he is talking about, and the location. Now, what is direction and what is location? Direction means he is talking about north, east, west, and south. And location, he is talking about it is near, it is adjacent, it is adjacent, it is beside, or it is behind anything. Okay, so once you get this kind of map in front of you, you have to see what kind of roads are given. This is high street, this is school road, and this is station road. This word where the road is ending, that is called a dead end. So you must know the vocabulary which is related to the map, and only then you will find out the answer clearly, right? If you do not know what is across, if you do not know what is adjacent, if you do not know what is beside, so obviously it will create a fuss, it will create a confusion, and you will not be able to. Next strategy is, when you have this type of question, you will write the short forms of it. I just do the same with my students in my batch. So you can see this is TL, or this is pedestrian crossing, that is PC, then PA, then no parking means N, this is disabled, that is D, this is widened, that is W. So you need to remember, don't come here then. Once the recording starts, once the listening starts, you have to keep the tip of your pencil or your finger here only, wherever it starts. And you will move along with the speaker, you will along with the recording. Now, suppose he was speaking about the new traffic lights are proposed to be aligned kahan pe lagani hai. So it might be on the curve end or after the school, matlab iske baad hai, ya phir it is on the school road. So you quickly move to the school road and you'll go side by side. Simultaneously you have to move, but you will not come back here and you will write G here. You will just write traffic lights here. Leave this, you have to just remember traffic lights and TL. I will write the short form here on the map, because while coming back, recording की वजह से वो छूट जाएगा and you will not be able to go back, right? So you are wasting the time. So to save the time, I'll be just doing this. Just use this method, and I am sure, I can guarantee you that you will be able to find the answers quickly, and your answers will be correct also. Use this strategy. Do let us know in the comment section that whether you were finding issues or you were able to get the answers. Okay, so yes, this can be easier method. बस इतना ध्यान रखना है, you have to write the short forms and keep it in your mind, and you will not come back here. You will just use this picture in front of you. You need to know the vocabulary for maps also. Only then, as I said, this is dead end, so this is this road, or this is moving towards, or this is a junction, this is a crossroad. Must know these words also. We'll tell you about all these things in my next video as well. So stay tuned. Those who have not subscribed to the channel must do that, and quickly hit the bell button so that you can get all the notifications and updates related to the topic. Good luck, guys. If you want the predictions, those are already uploaded. May exam, any exam, if you want to find, the predictions are already uploaded on Telegram channel. You need to join that. I'll share the link in the description box as well. Otherwise, you can find it with the help of masterclass.ielts. Take care, everyone. See you again in my next video. Please like the video. Take care.